Hey friends, if you are unable to change the static IP address or DNS server on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, I will stick to one main solution only, and that is to reset the network, because that involves everything. You are removing the static IP address and then it automatically becomes dynamic and you can add it again. If this doesn't work, then nothing will. But anyway, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings, and then you can scroll down and click on network reset. Click on reset now and then click on yes. The next solution will be to power cycle the modem, router and computer. So switch off the modem, router, computer, all these three devices. Now switch on the modem only, nothing else, just the modem, and wait for the lights to be green. And after that, switch on the router, wait for the lights to be green, and then switch on the computer. But if it doesn't work, then simply, if you have a built joint modem and router, then all you need to do is switch on the router, wait for the lights to be stable, and then switch on the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.